Okay, let's start at the beginning. كده to take some of exercise that we took, the same that we took last time. If I have 3 power of x equal, for example, 81. 3 power x equal 81. I want to get the value of x. Suppose that I will do what? That I will change the form of 81 without changing its value to make it 3 power something. Why? To make the basis equal. And if the basis becomes equal, the powers will be equal. Who can tell me 81 can be what? $81 can be what power what? Okay, 81, it is 3 power of 4. 3 power 4, because I need the basis to be 3, sorry. So I'm trying, if you didn't know that 3 power 4 equal 81, I'm trying 3 power 29, 3 power 3, 27, then 3 power 4, it will give you 81. Now 3 and 3, so in this case, x equal what يا جنى؟
x تبقى equal 4 برضو.
Then x equal 4, because the bases are equal. Okay, طب if I wrote for you that 3 power of absolute value of x equal 81. Here, if you want the solution set, the solution set is 4 only. What about this one? It is the same idea, but there is a very small difference. Here, absolute value of x equal 4. So, Muhammad, the x here equal what?
It will be equal to?
It's not a square root. It's absolute value. Absolute value of x equal 4. So, x equal what? Equal what يا جنى؟
مش هي تنفع positive أو negative 4؟
Yes, positive or negative 4. So the solution set يا 4 يا negative 4. يا محمد, this is not root. When I say مثلا root x equal 4 برضو, this one it's not equal to 2. خلاص, here I am saying what is the x is between the absolute value sign. Absolute value, this absolute value, it means that when the number is negative 4, so the result is 4. If you have negative 3 between the absolute value, the result is 3. When it is negative 2, the result is 2. So this is x. And absolute value of x, he told me that it's equal 4. So you are not sure that inside the absolute value was 4 or negative 4, because if it is absolute value of 4, the result is also 4. So when the x is inside the absolute value, so we have whether positive or negative the number. And if he told you that absolute value of x equal 5, so x equal what? Maybe x equal 5 and the result is 5. Maybe x كانت negative 5 and also the result is 5. So in this case, you must write 5 and negative 5. Okay, and we took how to simplify. If I have 18 power n, divide 8 power of n times 9 power of n equal 16. Find the value of n. Here, the bases are not equal, so I couldn't add ولا subtract the powers. I can add the powers when there is between them multiplication sign, or I can subtract the power if the bases are equal and between them division sign. Here, there is nothing equal to the other thing. 18, 8, and 9. So I have to simplify 18 or get another form of 18, maybe by power or maybe by multiplication, and the result is 18. So 18, it will be what times what or what power what? $18 can be distributed to what and what?
9 times 2.
Okay, 9 times 2. What I will do with the power? I'll put it on 9 only or on 2 only? The n.
The 2.
Only 2.
The 2.
The 2. Both of them. I will distribute يا محمد ال n دي تبقى مرة على 9 ومرة على 2. Okay, so 9 times n, 9 power n times 2 power n. Okay, and here 8. What I will do with 8? 8
تبقى
what?
2 times 4.
2 times 4. Okay, or I can make it by an easy way. It is 2 power 3 equal 8. But if I will go with what Jana has said, 2 times 4. Also the power distributed among both numbers. Times 9 بقى. 9 what power what? Or what times what? 9.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 or 3 power 3 بقى. خلينا نستخدم مرة الباور.
تمام.
3 power 2 all power n. خلاص؟ Let's complete. طبعا all of this equals 16. هنا 9 also can be simplified to be like this one. هتبقى 3 power 2 all power n. طبعا ال 2 is the simplest form. ال 2 also in the simplest form. What about 4? ال 4 is 2 power 2.
2 power 2.
Yes, all power n times 3 power 2 all power n equals 16. Let's multiply. When I have a number raised to 2 powers, I will multiply the 2 powers. So it will be 3 power 2n, because 2 times n equal to n, times 2 power n, divide 2 power n times 2 power 2 times n to n, times 3 power 2n. All of this equals 16. If I have something up equal exactly another thing down, I can remove them. Do you have anything to be removed?
Uh, 2n.
Yes, 2n with 2n. With 3 power 2n goes with 3 power 2n. So I have what? I have 1 over
2 power n.
2 power 2n. 1, don't forget 1, equal 16. Okay. This one I can take this one up by doing what, ya Jana? I want to take the 2 up, 2 power 2n.
هي مثلا نعملها multiply.
No, I want to make يعني طب 16. If I want to change 16 to be 2 power something, هتبقى 2 power what? 2 power 4 here equals 16. وهنا 1 over 2 power 2n. But the bases are equal, but they are not in the same place. هنا 1 over 2 power 2n. I couldn't say 2 بقى. I want to take this one, this 2 power 2n up. So I would want to change the places. Can I change them and do nothing with the power? ينفع اقول له 1 over 2 power 2n هي 2 power 2n over 1. So I will do what with the power? I changing the places, and with the places I will change what?
negative وكده.
Yes, I make the power يا محمد negative. فبقت 2 power negative 2n equal 2 power 4. Now the bases are equal, so negative 2n equal 4. يبقى
power
n
برضه هيبقى
equal 4 power divide by negative 2 equal negative 2. So n in this case equal negative 2. If you want the solution set is negative 2. Okay. Okay, let's take another one. 3 power over 2 power x squared minus x equal 9 over 4. Find the solution set or find the value of x. Here the bases are not equal. Can I make them equal?
في مثلا ال 4 تبقى 2 power 2.
ال 4 2 power 2. طب وال 3 can I make only ال 4 only يا جنى؟ Can I say it is 9 over 2 power 2؟ طب ما لسه 3 هنا
لا ال 9
وهنا.
برضه هتتغير.
ايوه 9 برضه. يبقى I will change this one. هتبقى the same base but all of them power 2. Why يا محمد I choose this one؟ عشان 3 power 2 اهي 3 power 2 equal 9 و2 power 2 equal 4. So you didn't change the number. You didn't change its value. You changed only the form of it. بدل ما كانت 9 over 4 أنا خليتها 3 over 2 all power 2. Why I did this؟ عشان أخلي البيزس equal. طب what will happen if the bases are equal? If the bases are equal, the powers will be equal. So I can get x. So x square minus x equal 2. Here what I will do, I have 2x وفي مرة في x power 2. So here I have to think about factorization, how to factorize it. طيب it's not equal to 0. So I can put x or take 2 inside and I will say it is equal to 0. And then I will factorize it normally. طالما في power 2 I will factorize. Okay, لو كان x, this x is a number, so it will be easy. I will take it to the other side. تبقى 2 plus a number which is found here. يعني لو x square minus for example 6 or 7 equal 2. So you will take 7 to the other side. تبقى 2 plus 7 equal 9. يبقى x equal root positive or negative root 9. But here unfortunately that is 2x. عندي x square وعندي x. And if you take x as a common factor, the other side is not equal to 0. Okay? So x and x, two numbers, the product is 2 and the difference is 1. Two numbers, product 2 and the difference is 1. طبعا ما عنديش
2.
أصلا 2 and 1. مفيش غير 2 can be factorized to 2 times 1. This is negative, so the bigger number will take the sign of middle, and this is positive. From here, x equal 2. And from here, x equal negative 1.
1.
So the solution set may be 2 or negative 1. And the value may be 2 or negative 1. Okay, this was some ideas. If you want very famous in our book, let's do it. Okay, 49 power n times 25 power 2n times 3 power 4n over 7 power n times 15 power 4n. Okay, 49, one of the very famous numbers. What power what equal 49? I want to do what? I want to simplify. هنا equal 343. I want to simplify it to get the value of n. محمد 49 يا محمد equal what power what? أو what times what?
3 times 7.
3 times 7. 3 times 7 21 والله. Here's something times 7, but not 3. One of the very famous perfect square numbers يا محمد. What times 7 equal 49? 49 divide 7 equal what? Grade هنقول grade 9 خلاص. في grade 9 you didn't know 49 divided by 7 equal what? Equal what يا جنى؟
7 times 7 equal 49.
7 times 7. Or خلاص بقى we are dealing with powers. So 7 power 2 equal 49. All of them power n. ال 25 what power what? 25 what times what? What power what?
5 times
5
5.
times 5.
5 times 5. طالما ال two numbers the same, I can make them power 2. 5 times 5 هي 5 power 2. It is easy to use the power. It's easier to use the power. تبقى 5 power 2 دي ال 25 و 2n as it is. وال 3 طبعا this is the simplest form. مفيش simplify for 3. وال 7 طبعا برضو this is the simplest form. What about 15? 15 what times what?
3 times 5.
3 times 5. طالما I distributed to two numbers multiplied by each other, so I would, sorry, this is n. I will take 4n. So I will take الباور this power and put it once
2n
on
و
3.
2n.
ايه؟ لا 4n
هي
و
مش هتبقى
4n.
4n كاملة؟ تمام ماشي.
اوكي اتفقنا ان احنا طالما النمبر I distributed among the product of two numbers, so the power will be on both of them as it is. You remember last time لما كان عندي 2n, I told you don't put n and n. لا 2n here and 2n there.
تمام.
Okay, all of this equals 343. Let's بقى ايه multiply two numbers raised, a number raised to two powers, 2 times n 2n 5 وعندي 5 power 2 وفي 2n, يبقى I multiply 2 times 2n equal what? 2 times 2n 2 times 2 4 والn as it is. طبعا 3 power 4n as it is, وهنا 7 power n as it is, 3 power 4n و5 power 4n equal 343. If there is something up, it is similar to something down, you can cancel them because it will be equal 1. Number divide the same number equal 1. I have 5 power 4n goes with 5 power 4n.
و
وعندي
3
كمان
power
3.
4n.
Yes, goes with 3 power 4n.
هو 7 المشكلة إن هي مرة 2 power n والتانية 1
Okay,
power n.
but I can, because they are the same base, I can do what with the power? I can subtract the power because they are the same
عشان ده
base.
divide.
Yes, 7n minus n equal 343. طب 2n minus n يبقى how many n؟
1n. يبقى
n
7
واحد.
power n equals 343.
مين يفتكر بقى 343 دي 7 power what؟ 7 power what؟ I can try it by calculator. It is 7 power 3.
8.
لا
3.
3. It's one of the perfect cube numbers. Root
تمام.
cubic root of 343 equals 7. Do you remember? So
Yes.
it is 7 power 3. So n in this case equals 3. It's not difficult. It's only simplifying the numbers. That's the idea. Like in the numbers at the end, it is very easy. And at the end, after finding the value of n, will you find calculate the value of 6 power 2n. Plus we got the value of n as if it is 6 power 2 times 3, and it is 6 power of 6. Okay, let's see. Something else here. Okay. Okay, the last one for in this type of questions, 6 power 2n times 2 power 2n over 4 power 2n times 3 power 2n plus 4 equal 9 power negative x. Okay. 6. I want to simplify 6.
2 times 3.
2 times 3. ال 2n once above 2,
2
another time above
هتبقى
3.
زي ما هي.
محمد,
ال2
are you
اللي
with
بعد
me?
كده
محمد.
Yes.
Okay, can you understand me?
Yes.
Are you following me? Okay. It's 6. I make it 2 times 3. It 2n. I will do what with 2n? Once above 2, once above 3. As it is.
هتفضل زي ما هي.
هنا 2 طبعا 2 تايم 1 يعني هي 2 باور 2n. طب ال 4
2 times
2
2
باور 2
2 تايم 2 او 2 باور 2 all power 2n. وال 3 طبعا the simplest
هتفضل
form
زي ما هي.
the same equal 9 power negative x. طبعا let's write them. خلاص this one عشان in order not to write it again 2 times 2n كأنها 4n فبقت دي 2 power 4n. نشوف بس how we'll complete by simplifying. Okay. Is something I can remove with the thing down? No, there is nothing up the same exactly like down. But I have equal bases. I have here 2 with 2 with 2. If there is multiplication sign between the two bases, equal bases, I will add the power. If there is
ممكن
division
ال
sign,
2
يعني هنا 2 وعندي ايه 2 و 2 اهي the same base 2n و 2n. What I will do with them?
2n plus 2n minus 4n يعني
أيوة
0 في الآخر.
2n plus 2n خلاص times 3 power 2n. أنا هعملها خطوة خطوة 2 power 4n times 3 power 2n plus 4 equal 9 power negative x. طيب let's add them 2n plus 2n طالما the same n و
يبقى 2
n
4n
يبقى 2 power 4n.
فهتتشال مع اللي تحتيه.
يبقى the same 2n 2 power 4n equal 2 power 4n. يبقى أنا لسه لي 3 power 2n over 3 power 2n plus 4 equal 9 power negative x. The
هما
same
the same
base.
bases.
So I will subtract what? I will subtract the power. بقت 3 but be careful minus. أنا عندي 2 numbers down اللي هي 2n plus 4 equal 9 power negative x. 2n as it is negative. It will do what in the bracket?
change the sign.
Change the sign. هنا كانت positive هتبقى negative 2n.
minus
وال4 كان
2n minus 4.
minus 4. Very important. دايما بننسى negative 4 دي وبنعملها positive 4. The negative outside will change the sign of both of them. Equal 9 power negative x. 2n راحت مع negative 2n. بقت 3 power negative 4 equal 9 power negative x. I want to complete it. عندي 9. هعمل ايه في 9 to make it 3؟
هعمل 3 power 2 مثلا.
3 power 2. طب 3 power 2 all power negative x يعني على طول 3 power negative 2x. There is no place here. ال bases are equal so negative 4 equal negative 2x يبقى ال x equal negative 4 divide by negative 2 يعني equal positive 2. Okay? Is it easy or something difficult?
It's easy.
Okay. في another form كده of question مثلا if I take we took it before مثلا if I have x equal root 5 y equal root 7 I have only 10 minutes x equal root 5 y equal root 7 you only find the value of x power 4 minus y power 4 divide x square plus y square. طبعا here I can do what I can طبعا remove x واخلي كده root 5 power 4 minus root 7 power 4 وهو عايز numerical value so I can easily use my calculator. But if I don't want to do so طبعا هي root 5 power 4 as if it is what 4 divided by 2 اللي هي root 5 power 2 but I want to simplify it first. I want to simplify it first before
مش
using
ممكن
it.
يتاخدوا مع بعض بس اعمل 4 minus 2 يعني.
4 فين 4 minus 2
مش قصدي انا قصدي اخدهم مع بعض بس اعمل subtract الباور.
Can you see between them what? Positive and negative, not times. This is a number with each other. Okay, there's no times between them يا جنى. Okay, I couldn't do this like the simplifying. I couldn't simplify واقول له x square راحت مع x square مثلا. Okay. طب let's simplify. And anyone remember how to simplify x power 4 minus y power 4? Which type of factorization is this? This is difference of two squares. اللي هي I can simplify it by two brackets, one positive, the other is negative. x power 4 under root x square و x square, y square y square. لما كانت بتبقى x square minus y square كنا بنقول two brackets, positive and negative, x و x, y and y. هنا بس الفرق ان ال x power 4 هتبقى x square و x square. فكرة this one I can simplify it again. This one x square minus y square. But if I put x square down اللي هي دي تلاقوا ايه بقى؟ دي راحت مع دي. فهير I have x square. شوفوا بقت ايه؟ اسهل بكتير. x square minus y square. You can here substitute بقى ال x root 5 power of 2 وهنا root 7 power of 2. We know that root 5 power of 2 اللي هي 5 و root 7 power of 2 اللي هي 7
7 برضو يبقى 5 minus 7
equal negative.
answer.
This one is easiest. But is it wrong to substitute from the beginning? No, it is not wrong. Okay, I will take بقى كده 2 or 3 كده from the choices. I said that you have كده different types of choices or different ideas now. If I want 1/6 of 2 power 12 times 3 power 12. Well, answers are, is it 6 power 2 or 6 power 4 or 6 power 11 or 6 power 23? Okay, step by step. 1/6 means what?
1 over 6
1 over 6. 1/6 of multiply this number. طب as you see هنا the powers are equal. طالما powers are equal I can multiply the bases. You remember لما كان عندنا مثلا 15n كنا بنعمل ايه؟ هي عبارة عن 3 power n times 5 power n. Right? يعني أصلا دول can multiplied by each other والn as it is. طب هنا طالما powers are equal يبقى دي كأنها 6 power 12. 12 مرة واحدة بس. Like this one exactly. Okay? فبقت 6 power 12. Now I think it's easy. 1 over 6 times 6 over 12. If I want to multiply the numerators, 1 times 6 power 12 بقت 6 power 12 divide by 6. Bases are equal وبينهم division. هتبقى 6 power what? 6 power 12 divide 6 power 1.
تبقى 6 power 11.
6 power 11. يبقى the answer is 6 power 11. Okay, so I have changed this form and I make it numbers. 1/6 means 1 over 6. Of means times. Here I can, the powers are equal, I can multiply the bases. But 6 power 12. Remember that when it is division, 6 the up, حتى even if I didn't multiply the numerators, you must know that this is down and 6 power 12 up. 6 power 12 divide 6. Multiplication, I can divide what's up from what's down without putting them above each other exactly. So in a 6 power 12 divided by 6 equals 6 power 11. Another one, 2 power 20 plus 2 power 21 plus not times. If times, it is easy, I will add the powers. وبيقول لي is it 2 times 2 power 40 or 2 power times 2 power 41 or 3 times 2 power 20 or 3 times 2 power 21. طب as there is plus, can I add them? طبعا the number it will be too big if I get the numerical value 2 power 20 دي 100 and 1 million and مش عارفة كام كده number. طبعا it's so difficult to put it in numerical form. دايما في البلس I can do something. Like when you remember this exercise, we said it the last time. طالما عندي plus I can take common factor 4 power 3 then division 4 power 3 to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 وبقت دي 4 power 3 times 4 بقوا the same base وبينهم multiply يبقى 4 power 4 اوكي طيب طالما في plus يبقى I'm thinking about common factor طب هنا they were all the same so I took 4 power 3 طب here they are not the same طب when they are not the same دايما كنت باخد النمبر with the smallest power ولا the greatest power اخد the smallest power ولا the greatest power
the greatest power.
لا والله the smallest ليه باخد ال smallest عشان اعمل division ما انا بعد ما باخد ال common factor I will divide 2 power 20 divide 2 power 20 equals what
1
1 plus 2 power 21 divide 2 power 20 if I wrote it اهي 21 divide 2 power 20 the same base يا محمد هعمل ايه في الباورز
مش هو مش موجود هو مش
مش اوكي في جنى انا وانت يعني اوكي يا جنى 2 power 21 divide by 2 power 20 equal what يا جنى the same base وبينهم division
2 power 2 power 1
2 power 1 اللي هي 2 بقت سهله ازاي بقت 2 power 20 times 1 plus 2 3 اللي هي which اهي this choice اوكي الايديا كلها في taking the common factor that's it okay okay the last one اللي هو 5 power x equal 4 I have you want then find 5 power x minus 1 okay then جنى الايديا هنا different شويه what is the idea هنا 5 power x طبعا I want to make the bases equal can I make it 5 by anything can I make
لا
it
ما
4
ينفعش
impossible
لا
impossible to do this so what I will do okay I will think about this one كأنها 5 power x times 5 power negative 1 right or wrong
right
ليه bases equal بينهم multiply add the power x plus negative 1 اللي هي x minus 1 okay why did I do this لأن 5 power x دي alone يا جنى he gave the value of it equal what هو اداني 5 power x equal 4 so I will remove it I will write instead of it 4 بقت 4 times 5 power negative 1 بقت كلها numbers there is no x خلاص 5 power negative 1
20
لا خدي بالك negative 1 if I want to do it mentally I can do what with this one I want to change the negative power instead of 5 power negative 1 هخليها 1 over what
1 over 5
أي 1 over 5 power 1